Hello. This is weird. Welcome back, everybody. It's Benny here. So today, doing a little something different here with Jamie, and we are going to Wonderspace. Is it Spaces or Space? I think it's Wonderspace. Spaces, the museum here in San Diego, California. I know, I told you we should have parked closer.
It stinks as fuck over here though, that's okay.
Then close them legs, girl. I wonder what this space is about. No? Okay, cool. Alright, let's go in here.
Let's welcome in. This is Merc VR. The artist is Yasuhiro Tsuda. He's a Japanese guy. And,
oh, I can't see it on the camera. What's going on? The Swing Machine Orchestra? Epilepsy warning. Oh, I can't go in here. This is talking to me. It's like telling me.
I feel like I'm in Stranger Things, to be honest.
Oh, hey.
I don't get it. There's no like.
This is
I like seeing Stranger Things. I don't see like really anything else.
I just see, yeah.
You see Stranger Things movie? Right there. That's like
shit.
Dave.
These are my confessions. Oh, I know. Oh, how does the song go? These are my confessions. I did not do it.
What's the inspiration? I just want to know like what type of confession are we?
I know. Are we doing like a hardcore? Are we doing a?
Just something like silly? I just.
Yeah, let's go check out. Because these are. I don't know what I'm gonna confess. I could confess that.
Oh my gosh! Everybody wants to break up.
Damn, I know. These are.
Oh my god.
I have a mole in my butthole. How do you know that one? First of all. Ew. I'm in the body. Father, if I have sinned. I think you have to talk into this little hole. Hello? Anybody in there? Trying to get my confession? I was trying to talk to someone in the hole. I thought that's how it worked. And they just wrote it down. This is my... This one's mine.
Really?
I've been farting. It's true. I don't know what to know. These are my confessions. Oh, and how does the song go? What the fuck? This means a lot. This is like, oh, all your emotions and everything is in a roller coaster. So this is what it is, and you gotta get over it.
I don't know, man. I don't know about the age. I think it gets you like right in the eye. Oh, I don't like that.
Step. Look, see, she's standing. That's tight.
I just said don't sit on it.
Oh, are we activating the noise? We're activating the noises. Let's turn this one off.
I know that one.
Oh, I know, that was like people eating like at a restaurant or something.
Oh, I like it. I feel really zen.
Yes, when within that piece.
I don't keep the pink one off though.
I know, we don't want the pink one on. This chair and this trash, I like this piece. It's very intriguing. So we're about to go into VR. Where the thoughts go. Where the thoughts go. You know what I'm saying. Said don't touch it, right? I'm really trying to.
Museum of like just like a bunch of spider webs just like all over. We're all tied up. That's what I'm getting from it. You get it? You feel it? Like we're all tied up. We're all like strapped to this TV.
I don't think so. I don't think that's what it means.
Bet. How much you want to bet?
We can bet. Okay, I think it means like the guy just doesn't want to clean his room and it's fucking a mess.
Is that really what you okay? Let's
No, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what it means.
Yes.
Alright.
And the sheer fabric around everything represents their hidden emotions towards him as a child. The red one represents his own room and the anger and frustration that he had at not being able to clean it out. And the rainbow room, as you guys can see, is his reconciliation with his identity. He's finally happy about being who he is, and his parents finally accept him. And then
There you go. I was semi-right.
We were both.
I was semi-right. He was trying to clean up his act in a way.
No, don't
And-
even start. You did not have any. So the first room is purity. He just felt alone and trapped.
Anger, yeah. And then
And then now he feels like he can live his freedom life.
There is going to be a huge, seemingly empty and dark room, but there's speakers and sensors on both sides of it. They're like aligned like traffic lanes. So if you stop in the lane, you can get cars to stop maybe. So you got to play around with it, figure that out.
okay.
Go ahead.
Alright, let's do this. It's hella. Stop that guy.
Oh, I did it!
There, see?
Oh, I created an accident.
Whoa! Come on.
Did you hear it?
I know. That was, whoa, it kind of fucks with your mind. That's pretty cool.
Like when you're going,
Especially because it's dark. So, I mean, if they added wind, it would have been tight.
it would have been a trip.
It would have. That's pretty cool. Anima Vesta.
Anima, feel free to walk around all four sides, and if you get pretty close to it, we ask you to just don't touch it. There are sensors that pick up your motion, so it affects like the speed and like what you're looking at pretty much.
Okay.
Feel free to experiment with that. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions.
Sometimes I just feel like something. Oh shit. Damn. Hello. I am River 126. Welcome.
Like, this is literally how you sound.
What the fuck?
You freaking make that sound all the fucking time. It's like, that's you. Look at that.
Holy schmoly. Damn. Let's go! Get it! Made it out alive and well. And it was fun, the least to say. I had fun.
I had fun.
Which one was your favorite one?
My favorite one was that room with the sounds.
That, the
What
car
again?
one? The intersection?
No, the colorful bars.
Oh yeah, the ones that like spin around and look like swings almost or something like that.
Yeah.
Mine was the intersection at the first time just because of the overthinking and it's dark and I just get freaked out and it gets me anxiety. So I kind of like the feeling.
It's really
Kinky?
exhilarated.
What was your favorite part? Oh, nice!
We're not fucking Dora.
Oh, okay.
Are you gonna say it in Spanish at least?
Como te gusta? It was
I like that
it was
part
cool.
too.
It was cool. I liked it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.
I am looking at the stars. They're so far away, and their light takes so